Rising cases.
After almost 2 months away, it's back.
This moment in the coronavirus pandemic is different.
And faced with a surge in cases across the country, the White House Coronavirus Task Force faces a renewed threat.
We're in a much stronger place. The truth is, we did slow the spread. We flattened the curve.
Recent days have brought a record number of infections. 16 states are seeing a rising number of cases and infection rates. States like Texas, which had started to reopen, now bringing back old restrictions after a 145% rise in cases in just 14 days. Bars closed, restaurants cutting capacity, public gatherings limited. Houston's mayor calls it a crisis.
The numbers are jumping exponentially and rising fast, and we are quickly moving in the wrong direction.
Arizona has now more cases per head of population than Brazil. 88% of the state's intensive care beds are full. Doctors see a health system on the edge.
And as positive an experience we can try to make for each other, at some point there's a tipping point. And we're hoping we don't go over the edge. Say this is Tinder waiting to explode, but I'm thinking that some of that has already been lit, and that is concerning.
The man who has played a major role in the White House response had this warning to young people.
The thing that you really need to realize that when you do that, you are part of a process. So if you get infected, you will infect someone else who clearly will infect someone else. We know that happens because the reproduction element of the virus is not less than one. So people are infecting other people. And then ultimately you will infect someone who's vulnerable.
The task force met at the Department of Health, not here at the White House. Opponents say that shows the president's level of engagement with the crisis now. The president also said the virus would start to go away in the warmer weather. It hasn't. One expert saying this isn't the second wave. It's still the first. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, at the White House.